My name is Merav. This is my second year in Conestoga College. I'm studying Baking and Pastry Arts Management.
My name is Chanthal. I'm in my second year of Baking and Pastry Management. This is my second career, so I decided to do something that I was really interested in. So I went from teaching into baking and pastry. Best decision I ever made. It's been an absolutely fabulous course.
Today we are focusing on sugar work. We started yesterday making some eclairs, very modern with decorations.
Yeah, and then we combine our sugar work and our eclairs together to make a show plate to present. Great program, great teaching. It is the place to learn baking and pastry.
I think they got the best teachers here at the college, and really, I just tell people this is the best thing I ever done.
I think the range of experience you get and the quality of the teaching, having been a teacher myself, you're very rarely exposed to this level of teaching in one place.
Yeah.
And you meet fabulous people too.
Yes, for sure.